guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making, it's going to be a quick and easy day. It's Sunday, but I'm not into a big meal. So I'm fixing for lunch. I'm going to make some tomato soup. It's not homemade, it's canned tomato soup. But I'm going to make some cheese drop dumplings to drop in it. Plus we're having grilled cheese as well. I might fix a little quick supper too, but let's get started. For this, I'm going to use Bisquick. You can use self-rising flour as well, and it's just me and Tony, and I'm only using 1 can of soup, so I'm only using a cup of the Bisquick. And I've got half a cup of, this is evaporated milk. Like I said, these are drop dumplings, so I hope that's going to be enough. And I'm going to add some cheese into this. Not a whole bunch. A handful. And my hands aren't real big, so. And you just mix this up. And the thing about it is, with the dumplings, you want to let it sit out for a minute. So while this is sitting out, I am going to go start my tomato soup. And you want to get it boiling, so I'll be back in a minute when everything's getting ready to be boiling and get ready to drop them. Okay, this is ready and this is set out. And I'm just going to use a little teaspoon. And I probably made even at a cup. This might be a little bit too much for this little bit of soup. But like I said, this is just going to be a quick lunch. It's almost 1 o'clock. And you know, time changed today, so that's all messed up. So we're waiting on the race to start, and I figure after the race I'll fix my quick supper, and it's just going to be quick, nothing fancy. Nothing too awful homemade. What I'm looking for when I drop these is empty spots. And like I said, I probably made too much. But that's quite alright. I think I can fit the rest of these in here. It's going to be crowded, but we are fixing grilled cheese as well. I got my panini grill out, so we can grill these up. Alright, at this time I'm going to cover it, and I am going to drop the heat down, probably about medium low. And it's going to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. And we will be back shortly. Alright guys, these are done. Look at these. Yummy. Alright. I have been wanting to make these for 30 years. My ex-mother-in-law used to make her own homemade. She would can her tomato soup. And I've been wanting to make these, and I never did. I don't know why. Yeah, I definitely wish I had more soup. But I do want, we got our grilled cheese are already ready. That was more than enough for me and him both. I do want to thank you for watching. Take a look around at my videos if you're new here. I am a Southern cook, but I don't limit myself to that. And I think my instructions are pretty much easy for everybody, all levels of cooks to enjoy. Hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. And don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And leave me a comment. Tell me about how you like your tomato soup. Just tomato soup, grilled cheese, or what else you want with it. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Guys, thank you for watching. Lunch is ready. Bye.